Hey guys, Ryan here. I hope all you guys are having a great start to your Friday Eve and your Thursday. Happy Friday Eve, along with a happy, beloved Thursday, guys. We are currently, well, not we, I am currently in Horseshoe Bend, Idaho, which is about an hour north of Boise on the way to McCall, Idaho. We're going to have a little fun episode today, guys. I don't know if you guys know, but these are, I went to Burger King, as you guys can tell. So these are cheese tots. No, I've never had them. Like, my mom and I went to Burger King for the very first time we're getting cheese tots, and so they're pretty good. But yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel of Positive Time with Ryan from Horseshoe Bend, Idaho. Okay, guys, before we get into today's episode, I just wanted to say, I don't know if you guys heard, but WWE Hall of Famer and the CEO of Real American Beer, Hulk Hogan, passed away earlier at the age of 71 in Florida. So my thoughts and condolences are with the family and friends of Hulk Hogan. So yeah, guys, cheese tots are back at Burger King. If you guys want to try them, my mom and I have never had them before until earlier today. So yeah, I mean, I'm really not going to tell you what I think of them. But if you guys are interested in them, go get them. Again, I'll show you. Like, they're kind of like a tater tot. Well, they are a tater tot with cheese in it. So yeah, I mean, they're back at Burger King. If you guys have ever tried a cheese tot from BK, let me know what you guys think of it. But I've never had them until earlier today when we got them. I got a meal, so instead of the fries, I got the cheese tots and all that. But yeah, if you've ever had a cheese tot from BK, let me know what you guys think of them. I would love to know your guys' thoughts. So yeah, guys, let's go out and have some fun in Horseshoe Bend, Idaho, aka Boise County, Idaho. Just enjoying nature. Beautiful life of Idaho. beautiful life though.